Ever dread losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to end that anxiety forever. This isn't just any Bluetooth tracker, it's your ultimate peace of mind, bundled in a convenient 4-pack. What makes AirTag truly revolutionary is precision finding, with Ultra Wideband technology, guiding you directly to your lost item with incredible accuracy. Forget vague within 30 feet, your iPhone will literally point the way, showing you exactly how many feet and in what direction your item is. Setting up these smart trackers couldn't be easier. It's a one-tap process with your iPhone, getting you connected in seconds. Plus, with IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTags can handle splashes, spills, and everyday adventures without a hitch. Integrated seamlessly into the Apple Find My network, millions of Apple devices worldwide help you locate your items, even if they're miles away. For anyone considering the best way to keep track of their valuables in 2025, an AirTag 4-pack is an absolute essential. Ready to buy and experience this unparalleled tracking solution? Find the Amazon link for the AirTag 4-pack in the description below.